Let's make some fried rice. Go ahead and put some oil in there. The more the better. Go ahead and put the meat of choice. If you are a vegetarian, you can opt out of this. You don't have to put any meat. Just go ahead and stir fry your eggs. Just putting some Maggi seasoning. And then put some oil on the side and then put your eggs in there. Go ahead and stir fry your eggs. Add in the frozen peas and carrots. Did put some corn in there as well. A little bit of this soybean paste. If you don't have it, don't worry about it. You don't need it. And then you can opt out from this oyster sauce. I just like mine with oyster sauce. Once everything is mixed good together, go ahead and add your rice. Go ahead and add soy sauce of choice. I just measure it with my heart. Stir everything together. And if you need any more additional salt or soy sauce, go ahead and add. But this is my result. Bye.